All right, so where letter A was all about log base 10, section B is all about all other bases. All right, so oh man. Sorry, this is so glitchy ever since we had our update. All right, so we're just going to keep rewriting. This wants us to rewrite exponentially. So remember, the base of the log is the base exponentially. So you always start with the base. And then I always just say go around the circle. 10 raised to the third equals 1,000. And that's it. We're just rewriting. For letter B, we're doing it backwards. This starts with exponential. We're turning it into the log. This is base 3. So I put the base in the base of the log of 81 equals the exponent of 4. I would just go around the circle. Make sure the base is in the base position and everything else just kind of flows. All right. So the key to this anytime you're evaluating, you're going to match the bases. Okay. So for letter A, I'm going to replace 16 with this base. 2 to what power equals 16? So think of all your powers of 2. 2 to the first is 2. 2 to the second is 4. 2 to the third is 8. 2 to the fourth is 16. So I'm replacing 16 with 2 to the fourth. As soon as the bases match, the base of the log undoes or cancels the base exponentially, and the exponent is the answer. All right, so we can't match the bases with a decimal. So our first step is to replace any decimal with a fraction. We read that decimal as 2/10, and then we're going to reduce. Now I need to move the 5 out of the denominator. Think about what we were doing with exponents earlier. If I have to move it out of the denominator, it makes the exponent negative. And as soon as I have a base 5 in both places, the base of the log cancels out the base exponentially, and the exponent is the answer. All right. Now we're just going to rewrite this number exponentially. First of all, 100 is 10 squared. Then I'm going to take the root, which I can't see, is a 5, and that goes underneath the exponent of the 2. So this is 100 to the 1/5, which is 10 to the 2/5. As soon as my base of the log matches the base exponentially, the exponent is the answer. All right, letter D. So first of all, I can rewrite the 2 as 2 to the 1/2 in the denominator. Then I'm going to move it out of the denominator. And as soon as I move it out of the denominator, it becomes a negative exponent. And as soon as the base of the log matches the base exponentially, they cancel, and the exponent is my answer. All right, last problem. Anytime we're solving for x, we want to get x by itself. And so one of the strategies is just to rewrite exponentially. 3 to the 5th equals x, and 3 to the 5th is 243. And that's it.